Welcome to Inday Cooking. For today's video, magluluto kami ni Sha ng cookies. Gagamitin namin tong Cameon. It's ready. Pronto na to. Ang i-add lang natin ay burro and egg. And lagyan ko rin ng gotche di cioccolato. Yan. Now, Shan, come here. We will cook the cookies. This is Shan. Say hi. We are now
making
cookies. Let's start. Okay? Okay.
I'm ready. No.
Then we will put here in the bowl.
Oh yeah. Let's
Okay.
put the bowl. Hello guys. I'm me. Shan. And here we have a fruit. There's butter, egg, and cookies. Ready now. Mommy, right.
Now, let's start cooking cookies.
Cookies.
Okay, open the box and
Alright.
And-
Super Mario.
I open it and
Open. Oh, yeah.
now mommy help you to open this. Okay?
I know too.
Wait. Okay, I will help you to open this. Okay. Okay, mommy will open it this Sean. Okay.
Scissors.
Look, mommy.
Cut. Okay.
Then
cut.
put it in the bowl.
Let me see.
Just put.
I know.
Okay.
Rabbit
Good
ball.
job.
Rabbit ball.
Then wait, we need to put the butter. Don't eat. It's not a pronto. Then we will put the butter. And you put all the butter.
Oh yeah, I can put.
Use this one.
There's cheese.
Dai, put the butter, Sean.
And the butter.
Put the butter. Be careful. Don't pull the. Use this one. I will help you. Use this
Okay,
one.
I can. Mommy,
Just go. Very good.
this butter is like
Dai, put the butter.
I'm putting butter on the top.
Don't eat. It's not already.
Daddy,
Then the egg will. Dai, mix the
let's
egg.
fix the egg forever.
Mix it.
I'm sorry.
Then put here in the mixture your egg and the butter.
It's not finished yet. Butter.
You put all-
I know.
Put not. You just put
I
like that.
remember that too. I remember that. It was finished.
Then wait, I will help you. Good job. Mix it very well. Very good. Ako na tayo. Perfect. Uh-oh. It's okay. Don't worry. Sean will put the chocolate inside the mixture of the cookies. Oh, wait. Okay. That's enough. It's enough. Wait lang.
Yummy.
You mix it.
Oh yeah, I can do it.
You can do it. You can do it. Wanna bake, bakers.
Look at it.
Just very good.
I can do it.
Good job. Now we will make a bowl, a small bowl in your palm, then make a cookies. Okay?
Oh, this is good job.
Now we will make a small bowl in your palm, then make a bowl. Yeah, good job. Yeah, good job. Then
And last,
you put here in the tray. Put here in the tray.
wait a minute.
Good
All the
job.
dice.
Yeah, put it. Good job. Another one.
Yeah.
It's yummy. Another one. You put another one in your palm. You make a bowl.
Easy.
Easy. It's so easy to make cookies. Make a space. It's better. Then put in your hands. And make a small bowl. Okay? Okay, go. Good job. Very good. Another one. It's yummy. Another one. Make a bowl in your hands. No, don't eat. We will cook first before you eat.
Yep.
Then you put here.
Someone yet.
Here.
Someone yet. Someone eat a avocado.
No, wag natin isuot siya. Okay, another one. Hands.
I mean, someone yet. Someone to eat the cookies is already done.
We will cook first before they will see. Okay, don't eat.
Sorry, mommy. I did.
Here. Put your hands. Make a small bowl. Okay. Like this. Very good. Another one. Don't eat. It's yummy. Then you put here,
It's the best.
cookies ever. Don't eat. Now you press down little bit, not too much. Okay, not too much, just a little bit. Press. Very good. The other one, a little bit. Press.
Hey,
The other one,
taking my arm.
your hands.
Oh,
This one. Good job. Okay. And now, don't put your hands in your mouth. Then the other cookies.
Wow.
Don't too much.
Hey,
I
what's
see.
happening? In my face.
No, too much.
Yeah. Yummy.
Basta na. Finish. Now, the cookies of Sean is
Ready.
ready. It's good. What is the taste of your cookies?
Chocolate.
It's the best cookies ever. You tell them.
It's the best cookie.
Ever.
Ever.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to
Like this and subscribe.
and always
Always.
click the bell button so you are updated for the next video. Thank you guys. Pakita mo yung cookies mo. Hawakan mo. Your cookies. This is the cookies of Sean. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Big one.
What is this?
Yummy.
It's yummy, your cookies. Pagdidelelo. Look, our cookies of Sean. It's so good. And yummy.
Subscribe to the channel. Watch our video. Click like and comment.
The bell button.
The bell button.
And
Oh.
please,
Please like, share, comment below.
and subscribe.
And subscribe. See you later, guys.
Thank you for
Thank you for my video.
watching.
Watching.
God bless.
God bless you later. Ah.
Wow.